Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today it's all about the Soundcore Select Go 4. So this kind of speaker is from Soundcore and it's released couple of past month, I guess, so which it's really amazing. But we're gonna be unboxing it and check it out and see my thoughts, and we unveil it and jump on the conclusion. So enough of me talking, let us just get started. Whoa, there we go. So as you can see guys, this is the Soundcore Select Go 4. It seems to be really amazing kind of speaker, by the way, and I saw it and I was captured and I said, you know what, we just need this speaker on the studio here. Yeah boy, and check it out and see what's so goody about it. So enough of me talking, let's get started throughout unboxing it and check it out. So yeah, so guys, this is our speaker here. As you can see, the Soundcore Select Go 4. It's such an amazing because it gives you 20 hours of playtime, which it's really amazing, and it's amazing because it says even sound that travels. So I'm really skeptical and I'm really pumped to just unbox this kind of bad boy and we see what's goody. Okay, nice. And I think you have to download an application if you want to have total control, which is good. So there we go. Whoa, nice. That's a really big speaker over there. So I'm gonna keep it aside first. And what's inside over here, you're getting a paperwork, which is really great because you just have to read it and understand how you can use your bad boy. And another kind of stuff over here, you're getting your cable. Now this is a USB Type-C cable, which it's really amazing just to charge your bad boy. So nothing else you're left on the box, which it's really minimal. So yeah, so as you can see guys, this is our speaker and it's really well packed and it's really nice touch and finish. I really like it. And as you can see, Select for Go, and it's such an amazing kind of speaker, to be honest. And as you can see over here on top, you're having a power control, you're having your Bluetooth over here, you're having the minus of the sound and a play and plus on increasing the sound. So when you turn it on, nice. I like that sound of Soundcore. They usually just like on the headphones or earphones. Such an amazing, and the color, it's really awesome. It comes with a variety of colors. We're going to talk about it on the spec side, but now let us just pair it on the phone so as we can check out the sound quality. That's way cool, to be honest. I like the sound, the bass out of it is just incredible, and you heard the sound quality how it is. And another kind of stuff, it's a USB Type-C for charging, as you all know. And on top of that, this kind of bad boy, to be honest, I really like it, the way they kept it, and this kind of hook, which you're gonna keep it on your bag if you have the clipper, which you wanna just clip it off here, and a hanger, which it's really amazing, and you can just have an amazing sound. So it's basically a good speaker for sports and all of that. So right now, let's talk about the specification for this bad boy. Let's talk about the Soundcore Select for Go specification. Well, it has a sound quality which it's really clear and balanced, which it's really amazing. On the battery life, it lasts up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. Durability wise, it has an IP67 rating, making it a waterproof and dustproof resistant, which it's really amazing. Portability and lightweight at 265 grams, and it's really amazing throughout its own kind of self. On accessories, it comes with a 60 centimeter of USB-A to USB Type-C. It has more color option throughout this kind of speaker, which it's really amazing. So guys, this is the Soundcore Select for Go. It's a really nice and amazing kind of speaker from Soundcore. It has an amazing kind of power. The sound quality, it's really clear and punchy, and to be honest, I really like the form factor. It reminds me of the kind of like JBL Gore series, but JBL Gore series, I find it's a little bit smaller than this, if I'm not mistaken. But this one, it's a little quite bigger in size, and it's really amazing throughout its own self on this kind of design side, and even the way they made the form factor. It's actually really different compared to other kind of speakers out there. So Soundcore usually nail it throughout their speakers, and they usually give you a bunch of features, especially like you can connect it on your mobile phone using an app, and you can have total control with other EQ if you want, and it's really amazing. So this is the Select Go 4, and to be honest, I like this speaker, the way they made it and the way it's suitable for my kind of activity, especially like cycling and all of that. So it depends with you what type of speaker you want, and this one is actually the one I can say I recommend. It's kind of heavy though, but you can just keep it somewhere and clip it around even your bag, or you want to use your sports kind of suits or merchandise where you can just keep it cool out there. So it's such an amazing kind of speaker, and it's worth it to check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it throughout the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the Select 4 Gore from Soundcore. This is such an amazing kind of speaker, and if you're new here to the channel, make sure that you're subbed to the channel, and I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.